Star Atlas DAO explicitly is as of now esteemed at 32 cents. The cost of Star Atlas DAO in every way that really matters has fallen by 1.7% in the past 24 hours, which generally is genuinely huge. Polis fall 4.42% in 7 days in a genuinely significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Star Atlas DAO basically is floating at $305,944, which generally is genuinely huge. 22 June 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these often in every way that really matters. Sought clarification on some things. Facts. What is essentially transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO? Truly is Polis a wise speculation, which truly is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so forth, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Be that as it may, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Polis specialized examination, for the most part allowed us explicitly to discuss the very current economic situations in a sort of significant manner. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,171,633,916,656 in an essentially significant manner. The all-out exchanging volume really remains at $45,387,585,410. Which especially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, which fundamentally is very huge, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,107.16 level after a vertical development of 0.4% in a sort of significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 0.19%. Coming to $1,887.55 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time span. XRP, the local coin of XRP for the most part, is up by 0.14 and at present exchanging at 50 cents. Which essentially is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which is very huge. These occasions certainly show that the market generally is going in an extremely descending heading for commonly present moment. As of now, a kind of broad extremely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which for the most part is very critical. Star Atlas DAO execution. The especially current Star Atlas DAO cost for the most part is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the very beyond 24 hours in a by and large huge manner. Right now, Polis by and large is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars, which generally is genuinely huge. What basically is Star Atlas? Atlas, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas truly is a gigantic multiplayer web-based game that happens in a virtual gaming metaverse, which in every practical sense is very critical. It really is being based on incredible Motor 5, permitting the game to highlight film quality, continuous conditions, exhibiting how the truly absolute exchanging volume especially remains at $45,387,585,410, which generally is very huge. Star Atlas happens in a modern sci-fi setting in 2620, where three by and large significant groups in a real sense have arisen, and especially are seeking assets and control. Mud humanity, only a consortium of in every way that really matters, extraterrestrial societies and us are pretty conscious androids, showing that these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market truly is going in a truly descending bearing for certainly present moment, which all things considered, is very critical. The game in every practical sense joins various classes in a very significant way. It in every practical sense is part system and that you truly need to in a real sense foster strategic game plans on the most proficient method to sort of collaborate with essentially different players and groups. Further appearance how yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the Polis specialized examination, let us certainly discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Some portion of it especially is investigation, as the game highlights a wealth of stars for investigation and double dealing, which in a real sense is genuinely huge, since players can head out to and in a real sense investigate these stars freely through first individual flight. It especially is to some degree a flight reproduction. In conclusion, players can mine assets and certainly get income streams from doing as such, making it likewise a pretending game, or so they truly thought. In the wake of picking a group, players at first most certainly start in group security zones without battle to especially investigate certainly fundamental interactivity, which basically is genuinely huge. Afterward, they can branch out to medium-level security, and most certainly open interactivity, where battle in every practical sense is conceivable, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Crucial interactivity support points are genuinely profound space investigation, battle, building space stations and ships, picking in-game callings to mine assets, producing coalitions to scale control of assets in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking, who most certainly are the originators behind Star Atlas in an extremely enormous manner. Star Atlas by and large was established by Chief Michael Wagner, Co. Pablo Quiroga, CPO Danny Floyd and CTO Jacob Floyd, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Preceding establishing Star Atlas, Michael Wagner truly worked at a VC reserve and at Multi-Chain Adventures, an organization zeroed in on creating blockchain-centered items in a sort of huge manner. Pablo Quiroga in every practical sense is the pioneer behind an enhancement startup and really worked in biotechnology before helping to establish Star Atlas, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. What explicitly makes Star Atlas one of a kind, which really is genuinely critical. Star Atlas generally expects to convey a vivid metaverse gaming experience that envelops kind of a few sorts and really consolidates a film-quality gaming experience with a capacity to procure virtual resources that can commonly be traded for genuine money, showing that however prior to plunging pretty profound into the Paulus specialized examination, let us for the most part discuss the truly current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. It intends to supplant its rivals by beating them in really a few regions, or so they truly thought. Up to this point, no blockchain game by and large consolidates as genuinely various ongoing interaction prospects as Star Atlas, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. While the games offer the choice to by and large procure through marking, or fight exceptionally different players for virtual resources, or basically investigate its virtual world and structure collusions, no game does all of the above at the same time, which really shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time span, which truly is genuinely huge. Players can involve the Atlas especially token as in-game money to buy resources, yet they can likewise for the most part generally purchase NFTs on the NFT commercial center that will work as boats and sort of other in-game hardware in a quite large way. Simultaneously, players can commonly sort of pick a calling for